Write an expression for the sequence of operations described below. Add 2 to the difference of 7 and 5. Looks like we're doing two different things here. We're adding 2 to something, and what we're adding 2 to is the difference of 7 and 5. So what we're going to want to do first is figure out what the difference of 7 and 5 means. The difference of 7 and 5 means we're going to subtract 7 and 5 in that order. So the difference of 7 and 5 looks like 7 minus 5. Now, whenever we do a second operation to the first operation, you want to wrap the first operation in grouping symbols. So in this case, we're going to wrap these guys in parentheses. Now, we're going to add 2 to that. So let's take that parentheses and add 2 to it. So at the end of the day, let me just rewrite it to center things out. We have parentheses 7 minus 5, close parentheses, plus 2. And that's our answer.